Nah, man, you know what? Chelsea might be really back, but Enzo is sick of it. Let me explain. So on Chelsea previous match, it could have ended 3-0 if this team didn't have Sandy Cheese, bro. He was literally playing against them. But Chelsea has a front of straight demons. Palmer with a goal and assist. Same to João Pedro. Also Morgan Rogers with a goal. Glad it was not Garnacho, man. These three were moving like prime MSN last night, bro. But I'm here to talk about Enzo Fernandez. So at yesterday match, he was booed by the fans. This is actually insane. The boos were obviously because of the celebration in the World Cup semi-final. I mean, it's legit. This celebration is rage-baiting and outrageous. If I was there, I would throw a tomato. I'm just kidding. Also, the boos were coming from Chelsea fans because he's wanting to go to Man City. He's not liking it here, bro, I promise. The situation is same as Alvarez. And media are saying he was leaving early to the dressing room without meeting the fans. But here is another video that shows he was stood there for a while, but leaving immediately. It's obvious he don't want to be there. But we don't know, there is a small percent chance that he will be in another club, but City has 50% chance in Poli market. If City have him, the downfall of City under Maresca will be studied for years, man. Also, Chelsea will gonna terrorize the Premier League after selling Enzo and Garnacho. But anyways, from Chelsea and City fans, do you guys really need him or not? Let me know in the comment.